In this video, we will look at connecting a phone number to your activity, error messages when saving your work, and resetting an activity. To connect a phone number to your activity, go to the Integration selection on the main menu. Find the name of the phone line that you plan to use and click on the Edit button to the left of the phone line name. We recommend renaming to include your activity name and the actual phone number. Then, select your activity from the list and click the Save button. Now try it out. Your game has been published and should respond to text messages. What about saving with error warnings? If Hive Mechanic detects a possible problem, it will change the save icon to this warning icon. Click on the icon to display the warnings. You can then investigate them or immediately save with errors. When you click on a warning, the editor will take you to the card with the problem. For example, this error warns us that the card is disconnected and needs to be pointed to the next card. To resolve this, let's point this back to the opening greeting and menu. You can also save with errors if you need to save your work, but be aware that it might not work correctly if you try the game at this point. Another useful button is Reset Activity. This is the icon that has a clock with an arrow around it. There are a couple of reasons you might want to reset an activity. First, if participants started with an earlier version of the activity, they might be stuck there until you end the activity. Second, if the game just seems broken, a reset can also help. Select Close Active Sessions and confirm with the Reset button. And that's it. We have everything we need to connect a phone number to an activity, look at error messages when saving our work, and reset an activity. Exploring errors while the game is running using the activity log from the main screen is a more advanced topic. To learn more, check out our website for a detailed explanation.